Today we are going to be trying Floating Sandbox. In this game you can destroy ships by smashing them, slicing them, blowing them up, and more. As you can see, there is a lot of tools in the tool menu to play around with. You can also control the ships by using the controls at the bottom. The controls include turning the lights on and off, turning the engine on and off, and more. You can also summon tsunamis and storms to destroy the ship. As you can see, if water gets into the electronics inside the ship, they will no longer work. There is a lot of ships included with the game that you can use. Here's what the explosions look like. You can also burn and melt things. Different materials will have different melting points and burning points. The fun part is that you can also make your own ships with Microsoft Paint. This is kind of complicated, so the tutorials will be in the description below. Here you can see a ship that I made in Microsoft Paint. It has switchable lights and an engine. These ships take a while to make, so I recommend just downloading more ships when you get bored of the included ones. The game along with all the ship packs will be in the description.